Hello everybody, my name is Lene Lopez from the EFWA team. In this video, I'm going to show how to install REDIS. First, let's say that REDIS is an in-memory cache database. It's a non-SQL database. It stores the values in a key-value pair. So to download REDIS, the version we're going to use is 3.2.1. You type REDIS version, download, and here in this link, you get REDIS. Once it's downloaded, you execute the program. Next. It's going to be stored here in this path. Next. It's going to run on this port by default. And install. Okay, so now Redis is installed. We execute it. This is the port. Set key, let's say test, and value, and then we get all the keys. And here is working. You see, this is the key test. Thank you.